Yeah, good day, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Mathemagic with Alimi Abdulhakim. For today, we have questions under numbers and numerations, and we have specific topics that are under number-based theorem, approximation, and ACF. For the first question, let's look at the first question. The first question says, a school records its total learners population as 1324 base 5 in a coded system. Later, the number was converted to a denary number and they rounded off to the nearest 100. A, find the number of learners in denary. B, state the rounded figure. For what we have here now, for this particular question, since we have that number 1324 in base 5, we are talking about a number-based system. So what do we do? The first thing we do is what? According to the question, it said later the number was converted to a denary number. What is a denary number? A denary number base is what? Is a base 10. Is a number in what? In base 10. So what do we do? I have 1, 3, 2, 4 in base 5. The first thing is what? I'll put my 0, 1, 2, 3 here. The next thing I will now do here now will now become 1 times 5 raised to the power of what? 3 plus 3 times 5 raised to the power of what? 2 plus 2 times 5 raised to the power of what? 1 plus 4 times 5 raised to the power of what? 0. So if I continue with this, that will become 1 times 5 raised to the power 3 is what? 125. 125 plus 3 times 5 raised to the power 2 give us what? 25 plus 2 times 5 raised to the power 1 will give us what? 5 plus 4 times 5 raised to the power 0 will give us what? 1. So this will become 125 plus 3 times 25 will give us what? 75 plus 2 times 5 will give us what? 10 and 4 times 1 is what? 4. If I add all together, this will give me what? 214 in base 10. I can leave my answer like this, where I can also have my answer as what? 214. That's it. So we've been able to convert according to the question for the first one. That is my A. For my B now, we are told to what? Approximate 214 to the nearest what? To the nearest 100. If you look at it, this is what? Units, this is what? Tens, and this is what? 100. So I have 214. Since I'll use these tens to round up this, what will I be doing? I'll be adding plus 0 here. So my approximate answer is what? 200. That's my final answer. We are done with the first question. For the second question, we have it that 3 bells ring at intervals of 84 seconds, 126 seconds, and 210 seconds. They ring together at exactly 090000 AM. A, after how many seconds will they ring together again? At what exact time will this occur? If you look at this, we have at an interval. What are the intervals that we have here? We have 84 seconds, 126 seconds, and what? And 210 seconds. So what we have this one now, we convert this one now, we write it in what? We solve this, using by applying ACF. And which particular method are we using? We are using the listing method. So what do we do here now? We write 84, we write 126, and we write the factors of 84, 126, and 210. So when we have this now, I have, what are the factors of 84? I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 4, I have 6, I have 7, I have 12, I have 14, I have 21, I have 28, I have 42, and I have 84. For 216, what do I have? I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 6, I have 7, I have 9, I have 14, I have 18, I have 21, I have 42, I have 63, I have 126. For 210, what do I have? I have 1, I have 2, we have 3, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7, we have 10, we have 21, we have 30, we have 35, we have 42, we have 70, we have 105, and we have 210. So what do we do here now? The first thing we do, the next thing we do here is what? To get what? The common factors. So what are the common factors here? For the common factors here, I have this, I have this, I have 3, I have 6, I have 7, I have 21, and I have 42. So the common factors here are what? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 21, and 42. So that means the ACF here is what? Is 42, the highest common factor. So the question says after what in time interval? So that means the time interval here, the time interval here is equals to what? 42 seconds. Since the values there, they are in what? They are in seconds. We are giving 84 seconds, 126 seconds, and 210 seconds. So what is the last question we have here? They said, at what exact time? And we are told that the initial time we are given is what? 090000 AM. So this is what? This is hour, this is minutes, and this is what? This is seconds. So plus 000042. So the exact time will become what? 0900 minutes 42 seconds AM. That's all. I believe with this explanation, it is well done. So if you have any question, kindly drop on the comment section below. Don't also forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.